16. Box is 17.
How much is that?
What's that, buddy?
This is 45 and that was 89. Do what? All right.
Hey, Clint, you there? What are y'all buying?
17, 15 dollars.
Oh, 89, 45.
No, do like. Right? Is that right? No, that's not right. 62.50. 62.50 each. And then you got to run that normally, okay? Okay, Clint. Baseball is 1, 2. We only have 3 baseball left.
Okay.
1, 2, or 3.
I'll see them.
We've hit a trout and a triple. Triple Glavin, Smoltz, Maddox, right? Kevin, Kevin just sent the money for a case. We got a case. Our first, we got our first gold mine case break.
Who's bought a case?
Hambone, my buddy Hambone.
You doing football or baseball?
I don't know, Kevin. Do you want football, baseball, or basketball? If you buy a case, you get to choose, or multi-sport. Whatever you want. The world's your oyster. Woo! We about to get fired up here, guys. Somebody hit the record button. There's about to be some fireworks. All right, let me know which one you want. Number 3. So 1, 2, 3 is the way I see that. 1, 2, 3, right? So you want bottom. All right, Kevin wants a case of football. All right, Kevin, hold on. We'll get you set up here. I'm going to let you pick your own case. Are all of them? There's that one, too. So take that one over there. The bottom, there's a bottom case there. And then put them over there with all the other ones, and then we'll just let him pick. All right, Kevin, appreciate the business, and I appreciate the business. Clint. All right, cool. Here we go. Good luck, buddy. This is Clint. All right. This is Clint Shelby. Jeter to 200 out of tier 1. Is there 4 cards in here? 4 hits. I'm just going to pull them all out. You got 4 hits. You got Jeter to 200, Glavin auto, Smoltz auto, and a DiMaggio game used jersey. They're spread around, Kevin. I have they're pretty much spread around. There's a Jordan in either baseball, basketball, or multi-sport. It's a PSA 6. Jeter. Football just has like that Brett Favre 101. It has a lot of the cards in that range that like I said, $300 to $500 type stuff. But in football, every case either has. This is Clint Shelby.
Is this the empty box?
Yeah. Thanks, Clint. Football has a logo tag, a 1 of 1 patch or auto, or an NFL laundry tag or logo shield or laundry tag. Because the only one that's not a 1 of 1 was that Dak Prescott number 2 that he hit, and there's a Gronkowski logo shield rookie number 5. So just tell me which one. I'm gonna let you pick the case. We haven't put the sticker. Here's the baseball. If you decide you want baseball, that's fine. We don't. CJ, you leaving?
No, I'll be back.
Okay. All right. All right, Kevin. Here they all are. There's 3, 6, 9. Oh, wait, 2, 4, 7, 10. There's 13 left. We opened 2 of them, so, or we've about opened 2 of them. We have 2 boxes left. So you just tell me. We'll do. There's 3 here. Just tell me. Hey, I want the. We'll be sealing everything up tonight. This was just a pre-release. They'll have their stickers slapped on them and all that. You there, dude? You can pick out whatever one you want, dude. It doesn't matter. 10. 5 in each row.
Do you need me to carry it?
Hey, what's up, buddy? Carry what?
The box? Can you carry it?
Nah. He hadn't picked it yet, bro. Just give me. Yeah. You want me? I can't pick it, man, because if I hit you some crazy card, they'll say that I did it. Just, do you want someone random here to do it? Or Leah? Do you want to blame Hugger?
I had good luck with it.
Yeah, Austin. I mean, it's up to you, but I can't do it. Middle. Okay. Middle top. Okay, so middle top is 1, 2. I'm considering that middle top.
Yeah.
Is that right? Middle top. All right, man. Our first case break. If I don't kill myself. Give me just a second, man. All right. Hey, give me just a minute, okay, Kevin? I'll be back on in like, I want your own video for a case break, okay? Give me like 2 minutes.